In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track downloads in Google Analytics. If you offer resources like PDFs, spreadsheets, or slide decks on your site, Google Analytics 4 can automatically track when people click to download them. We'll first make sure download tracking is enabled, and then I'll show you exactly where to see the results in your reports. Start in your Google Analytics property. In the lower left corner, click the Admin Gear icon. In the Property column, choose Data Streams, then select your website data stream. On the Stream Details page, look for Enhanced Measurement. Make sure the main toggle is switched on. This feature lets GA4 capture common interactions without custom tagging. Next, click the small gear icon next to Enhanced Measurement to open its settings. In the list of automatic events, confirm that File Downloads is enabled. With this on, GA4 will record clicks on links that point to files with common extensions, such as PDF, DocX, XLSX, PPTX, CSV, and more. You don't need to add extra tags for those. GA4 handles them for you. Keep in mind, this captures link clicks that lead directly to a file URL. If a download happens via a custom script or a button without a direct file link, you may need custom tagging, but for standard links, this built-in option is usually enough. Once that's enabled, GA4 begins collecting file download events going forward. To view the data, head to Reports, Open Engagement, and then Events. Use the search bar to look for the event named File Download. Click into File Download to see the details. Here you'll find metrics like event count and users, and you can explore event parameters that tell you which files were clicked. Look for attributes such as the file name and the full URL, so you can identify exactly which asset drew the click. A couple of quick tips for interpreting what you see. The event is triggered by a click, not by the file actually finishing the download, so counts reflect user intent rather than completion. If you just turned this on, give the reports a little time to populate, or perform a quick test on your site to generate an event. Also, if you notice a popular asset, consider marking file download as a key event so it's easier to monitor. That's it. By verifying enhanced measurement and confirming file downloads are enabled, then reviewing the file download event in your reports, you'll have clear visibility into which resources your audience engages with most.